morning. Teachers, faculty, staff, parents, families, and most importantly, the graduates. It's an honor to be here standing in front of you as your speaker. Today is a day of immense celebration, a day to acknowledge years of hard work, dedication, and growth. It's a day to look back with pride and forward with hope. But more than anything, today is a day to celebrate the power of perseverance, the unwavering determination that has brought each and every one of you to this incredible milestone. We're not just celebrating your graduation, we're celebrating your journey, a journey paved with challenges, setbacks, and triumphs, are all fueled by your incredible ability to persevere. Throughout your school years, you've faced countless obstacles, late night study sessions, difficult exams, stressful projects, and maybe even a few friendships that tested your limits. You've learned to manage your time, to overcome obstacles, and to bounce back from disappointments. These experiences, both big and small, have shaped you into the resilient, capable individuals that you have become today. And that, my friends, is a testament to the power of perseverance. Now, let's talk about what is perseverance. The word itself evokes energies of strength, resilience, and unyielding commitment to a goal, even in the face of overwhelming odds. It's the quiet determination that pushes us to past our limits, the inner voice that whispers, keep going, when we're compared to give up. It's the very essence of the human spirit, the driving force behind countless achievements throughout history, and its quality that each and every one of you has demonstrated abundantly throughout your school year journey. Your school years haven't been a walk just like in the park. You've navigated challenging coursework, demanding extracurricular activities, the complexities of friendships, the roller coasters of emotions that comes with adolescence. Perhaps even the occasional unexpected storm. You face setbacks, disappointments, and moments of doubt. Yet, here you stand, ready to embark on the next chapter, a testament to remarkable ability to persevere. Today, I want to explore the meaning of perseverance and its importance in achieving our goals, and how it can help us to navigate our complexities of life. We'll look at examples from everything, from history, from literature, and even from the world of animations and movies, to illustrate its transformative power. One particularly inspiring example comes from Disney movie Moana. Have you ever heard the story or seen the movie of Moana and the Moana Disney one? The story of Moana showed us the power of believing in ourselves and keeping going, even when things are tough. That's perseverance, and it's something you need to succeed in school, in life, and anything you want to achieve. Today, I want to talk about why perseverance is so important to us. What is perseverance? It's simply sticking with something even when it's hard. It's trying again and again, even after you fail. It's something that there is an immense power inside you and fuel you to do not give up. Why is it important? Because big things don't happen overnight. Learning a new language, mastering a difficult subject, and even making new friends. These all take times and effort. There will be the times you feel frustrated, tired, or like giving up. That's normal. But that's where perseverance steps in. Think about the famous people. Thomas Edison tried thousands of times before he invented the light bulb. Michael Jordan missed many shots before becoming a basketball legend. They didn't give up when things got hard. They kept trying, and learning from their mistakes and improving. Your journey is just the beginning. Sooner or later, it will be longer, tougher, and demand more from you. There will be times when you question yourselves that when work seems endless and when you feel like giving up. But remember this, you've already proven that you can handle hard things. I know that Moana's journey in the Disney movie is a fantastic examples of power of perseverance. She faces so many challenges, but her determination to save her people and find her own path lead her to incredible success. Think about it. Moana's village was facing a terrible blight, and everyone told her that it was so dangerous to sail out to find the goddess Te Fiti. Her own family doubted her, and she had to overcome their objections. That takes serious courage and perseverance. Then there was the journey itself. She faced giant waves, scary creatures, and heaven, and even her own self-doubt. She almost gave up several times, but she kept going. She learned to listen to her inner voice, to trust her instincts, and to keep pushing forward, even when things got tough. Maui, her companion, also showed perseverance, though in a different way. He had lost his confidence and his magical fish hook, but he eventually regained his strength and helped Moana to succeed. He learned to trust her and to believe in himself again. Moana's perseverance wasn't just about physical strength. It was about mental strength too. She learned to be brave, to overcome her fears, and to believe in herself, even when others didn't. She learned to adapt to new situations, to ask for help when she needed it, and to never give up on her goals. In the end, Moana saved her people, restored the balance to the world, and found her own identity. Her success wasn't just about luck. It was a direct result of her unwavering perseverance. Her story teaches us that even in the biggest challenges that can be overcome with determination, courage, and belief in ourselves. Just like Moana, we can all find the strength within us to keep going, even when the journey is long and difficult. That feeling of wanting to give up, it's normal. Everyone feels that sometimes. And Moana did feel it too. And that time, when the attempt uncrossed the lava monster, but then the return where it started. I feel that feeling too, that I wanted to give up. At times when I feel lost and drained, and it is completely understandable, especially when facing a big challenge. I experienced it when, with the in situ assessment I take away back in my senior high school days. Getting sick right before such an important test, and knowing the financial sacrifice of my father made, created an immense pressure. Yet, my faith and thought of my father's hard works gave me the strength. In the blink of time, I was about to give up. I chose to focus on healing and and preparing as much as possible. And I reminded myself of my capabilities and the sacrifices my father give to pay the assessment. At the same time, I prayed for strength. And it has. Your faith, determination, and self-belief, combined with the support of your families, lead you to your success. And let me tell you another story. It's a story about a young woman, a bright and ambitious student, just like many of you. She dreamed of becoming a soldier, but due to health conditions, she pursued her second choice as an educator, a teacher who could make a real difference in the world. She worked tirelessly, studying day and night, sacrificing sleep, social life, and even some of her sanity. She faced setbacks, failures, and moments of profound self-doubt. There were times she wanted to quit, to give up on her dreams, to choose a path that seemed easier, less demanding. But she didn't. She persevered. She kept going one step at a time, one challenge at a time, one late night at a time. And eventually, she achieved her dream. She became an educator, a teacher, someone who makes a real difference in the world. Her perseverance wasn't just about her success. It was about her character, her resilience, her unwavering commitments to her goals. But what set apart those who succeed is their ability to keep going. Think back to those tough moments, the late night studying, the difficult test, the project that seemed impossible. You didn't give up then, and you won't give up now. Studying isn't just about grades. It's about growth. It's about discovering what you love, developing your skills, and becoming the best version of yourself. It's a time for exploration, for trying new things, and yes, even for making mistakes. Because mistakes are learning opportunities. They're stepping stones on the path to success. I feel failure too, at times when I take my examinations without studying. At first, I was devastated, but then I realized a lesson from that experience. That it's important to study and recap everything. Have you ever experienced it too? I know you weren't, because all of you are good students. But if you experience it too, take it as your lesson and experience. Don't just rely on your stock knowledge. Now, I know that you might be thinking that it's easy for you to say you're successful. You've already achieved your goals. And you're right, I have. But my journey wasn't without its challenges. I too faced setbacks, moments of doubt, and times when I wanted to give up. But I learned the valuable of perseverance the hard way, through countless failures and countless lessons learned. And I'm here to tell you that it's the most valuable lessons that I've ever learned. Perseverance isn't just about gritting your teeth and pushing through. It's about developing strategies, building resilience, and cultivating a mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities for growth. It's about learning to identify your strengths and weaknesses, to seek support when you need it, and to celebrate your small victories along the way. It's about developing a growth mindset, a belief that your abilities can be developed through dedications and hard work. It's about understanding that failures is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the path of success. Now, let's talk about some practical strategies for cultivating perseverance. let's break down a large goal into smaller ones, more manageable steps, and a massive mountain seems impossible, but a series of small hills that are more approachable. Celebrate each victory along the way and acknowledge your progress, no matter how small it may seem. This positive reinforcement will fuel your motivation and keep you going. Second, build a strong support system. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who will encourage you, and who will support you through times. These individuals will be your cheerleaders, your mentors, and your anchors when you feel like giving up. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. We need support sometimes. Third, develop a growth mindset. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. View the setbacks as valuable lessons, not as failures. Learn from your mistake, adapt your strategies, and keep moving forward. Remember that your abilities are not fixed. They can be developed through hard work and dedication. Fourth, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, especially during challenging times. Don't beat yourself up during over setbacks. Acknowledge your efforts. Forgive yourself for your mistakes. And focus on moving forward. Remember that everyone makes mistakes and it's part of the learning process. Fifth is to visualize your success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals. This positive visualization can boost your motivation and help you stay focused on your objectives. See yourself overcoming obstacles and celebrating your achievements. This mental rehearsal can be incredibly powerful. Sixth is to find your inspiration. What drives you? What motivates you? Identify your passions and let them fuel your perseverance. When you're passionate about something, you're more likely to persevere, even when things get tough. Connect your work to a larger purpose. How does your work contribute to something bigger than yourself? Understanding this can provide a powerful source of motivation. And seven is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, and perseverance, and mental well-being. A healthy body and mind are essential for perseverance. Practice mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. Learn to manage stress effectively, as stress can significantly impact your ability to persevere. And eight is learn from others. Seek out mentors and role models who have demonstrated perseverance in their own lives. Learn from their experience, their strategies, and their insights. Read biographies and autobiographies of successful people to motivate yourself. Their stories can be incredibly inspiring and motivating. And the next is develop a plan B. If the plan A doesn't work, then develop a plan B. It's okay to have a backup plan. This doesn't mean you're giving up. It means you're being realistic and prepared for unexpected challenges. Having a plan B can reduce stress and anxiety, allowing you to focus on your primary goals. And then is to never give up on your dreams. Your dreams are worth fighting for. No matter what happens, do not give up. They are the fuel that will drive you through challenges and setbacks. Hold on to your dreams, nurture them, and never let go. Believe in yourself, even when others don't. Your belief in yourself is the most powerful tool you have. And now, as you embark on this new chapter of your lives, It's not a magical bullet, but it's a powerful tool that will serve you well throughout your lives. It's the key to unlocking your potential and overcoming challenges and achieving your dreams. It's the unwavering commitment to keep going even when things get tough. It's the quiet strength that whispers, keep going. When everything inside you screams, give up. Just keep going. The world is waiting for your contributions, your innovations, your creativity, your passion. But the world needs more than just talents. It needs perseverance. It needs individuals who are willing to work hard, to learn from their mistakes, to get back up every time before, and to never give up on their dreams. You, the graduates, have the potential to be those individuals. Embrace the power of perseverance, and you will achieve greatness. Remember the late nights, the early mornings, the challenges you've overcome. Remember the support you received from your families, friends, and teachers. Remember the moments of doubt and how you pushed them through. Remember the lessons you've learned and how they've shaped you into these incredible individuals you are today. The path after graduation will have its challenges, but it will also be incredibly rewarding. The perseverance and resilience you develop aren't just for college or for schools only, but they're for life. Because education is for life. They're the keys to unlocking your potential, achieving your dreams, and making a real difference in the world. Remember that Moana succeeded and saved her family and village, and I myself succeed too. And now here I am delivering the speech to encourage you, motivate you, and inspire you that you will too someday, just like Moana succeed. And I know you will gain the success you deserve someday. Stand firm, and you will succeed. Congratulations, graduates! You are ready for this. Go out there and show the world what you're made of. I know that someday you will gain the success you deserve. And that's all. I hope that you encourage and motivate about my speech. Thank you and good morning once again.